My name is Pamela Nevills, and I have several decades of experience in education. I started in elementary school and then worked with middle school students and high school students. Eventually, I moved into staff development and then became a program manager. Since then, I've worked as a consultant and also worked with 3 different universities as faculty. My areas of expertise are taking neuroscience, learning about the brain and how the brain functions, and interpreting that and working with teachers for classroom strategies. We find that when teachers have just a little bit of information about the brain, the structures and the function and the systems, that they're able to make better instructional choices with the materials that they have. And so I work with teachers to help them understand a little bit of neurology and then to translate that into how they can become better teachers. Recently, I decided to study and figure out why the Common Core State Standards came into being. And as I read about them and how they were developed and who was behind them, I became very excited for the potential that we have as educators to take advantage of this set of standards and the passion that people have for students to be able to learn at deeper levels. And I thought, finally, here's a good match. The Common Core State Standards are just begging to be matched with neuroscience because teachers need to understand how to help their students learn more deeply. We've spent several years teaching to the test, basically, and helping students answer questions that are at a very low level of thinking. And now all of a sudden, students are expected to be able to debate and question and synthesize and do very deep critical thinking. And I don't know how teachers will possibly be able to meet those lofty standards unless they understand how children learn and what kind of engagement they need to be in order to reach those goals. So I think it's a powerful time to be a teacher, and it's a wonderful time for students to become the world-class citizens they deserve to become through the Common Core State Standards.